What's going on, everybody? We have arrived at the Hoover Dam on the border of Nevada and Arizona. So guys, today is the 40th day of our trip across the United States. Came from Outer Banks, North Carolina, went to Virginia, came all the way down Virginia to the Blue Ridge Mountains of North Carolina. We traversed all the way down into North Georgia, checked out the Georgia Traverse and Big Frog Loop. We traversed all the way across southern Tennessee into Alabama, came back up into Tennessee, went down to Mississippi. We went all the way across Mississippi into Arkansas, got to stay with some family for a day or two, and then we routed up to the Ozarks. From the Ozarks, we went all the way across Oklahoma, stayed at the TAT bunkhouse on the panhandle of Oklahoma. We went into New Mexico, had a lot of mud going up into Colorado, traversed all the way through Colorado, Rockies, made it into Utah, had a fun time in Moab, and now we came down here and we're hanging out at the Hoover Dam. This will mark the point of when we're going to divert down to Flagstaff, Arizona for Overland Expo 2019. Hoover Dam stands 726 feet tall. It's 650 feet thick at the base and 45 feet thick at the very top of the dam. And the main purpose for the Hoover Dam is for power, flood control, irrigation, and water for both industrial and domestic use. We're gonna go check out and see if we can get a tour. Hopefully we can do it. So let's go check it out and see what we can do. See if we can go explore the inside of this dam. Hoover Dam. Oh, look, it's a Lamborghini. Very touristy here, but I guess we're tourists too, right? Next stop is the Hoover Dam tours, and we can see if we can go underground and check out the facility on the inside. How'd you like it? We just wrapped up with the tour of the Hoover Dam. Alright guys, so we just wrapped up the tour of the Hoover Dam. If you guys get the chance to come to the Hoover Dam, do the tour, and do the $30 tour, not the $15. Do the entire tour because it was well worth it. They took us into some really cool areas deep within the dam, right down in the base. Now we are going to head back to our rig and continue on into Arizona. We'll be heading down to Flagstaff, and we'll be heading to Overland Expo West in 5 days. So we'll be downtown Flagstaff on the 15th, so we'll see you guys there. Peace.